Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Imarku deep frying pan. A versatile 11-inch non-stick kitchen essential with a 4-quart capacity that's perfect for all your cooking needs. This pan boasts a double-layer water-based non-stick coating free from harmful chemicals like PFOA and PFOS, allowing you to cook with little to no oil and helping you reduce fat intake. Its ergonomic, heat-resistant Bakelite handle is detachable, saving up to 50% of kitchen space and making it easy to install or remove in just 5 seconds. Whether you're braising, searing, steaming, frying, boiling, baking, or grilling, this pan does it all, and its unique lid even doubles as a serving plate. Made with a professional-grade aluminum core, it ensures excellent heat conduction for quick and even cooking, reducing hot spots and preserving the original nutrition of your food. Compatible with all stovetops, including gas, electric, glass, and induction, and oven safe up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. This pan is as versatile as it is easy to clean, with most messes wiping away effortlessly. Trust in the Imarku brand, which offers a 100% free refund or replacement guarantee, and enjoy this exquisitely packaged frying pan, perfect for gifting to any cooking enthusiast. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.